Every person has an extraordinary story. That means you. In fact, what I have discovered is that your very destiny is wrapped in the power of your story and your ability to tell it, especially your ability to lead with your story. So as humans, story is our fundamental way of relating to and being understood. The problem is we often don't know how to relay it, or the power there is in putting it on paper for an awe-inspiring book, to empower audiences in a rousing speech, or to even hold our own in a vital conversation. It's about learning enough about yourself so you can share the most vital aspects of you and your story to create what you want in life. What I've discovered is that when a person comes to understand the power of their story, that power not only changes their own world dramatically, it can change the world. And my friends, that's not overly dramatic. I have witnessed that power firsthand. Story is that powerful. As your guide, I will help you leverage your past, no matter what you have lived through and discovered, to create your most incredible destiny. In other words, transformation. There's a core to us and each of our stories if we can touch it, if we can access it. This clarity provides so much personal power. It improves our ability to communicate with the rest of humankind. We become a mighty contribution to our families, communities, and society. Here's what I have discovered. Leaders lead through the power of story. The good ones let their own stories motivate them. The best ones, however, let their stories motivate first themselves and then inspire others towards their greatest potential. In order to do this, you first have to take a risk. I had to take the risk to value my own story, and that's when literal miracles happened in my own life, and they continue to unfold before me. I can reach, touch, motivate, and inspire more people because I'm willing to risk. Are you? Learn to value your story enough to risk, to get it out there. Don't let your fear keep you from your greatest destiny. This is why we have woven the power of story, of risk, and of leadership throughout each of our online courses, personal coaching, and live retreats. Here, you boldly claim the power of your story and discover how to utilize it most effectively to become the leader you were meant to be.